put the video on. There.
Oh, I see what you did. Get her out.
Let me
Outside?
put my glove.
Yay! We're gonna go outside. Come on, Echo. You gotta get up. You gotta get up to go outside. You go outside. Outside, puppies. Open the door. Anybody want to go outside? Okay, go. The door is shut.
Together.
Where's your phone?
Oh, I just put it there.
Oh. Come on, outside, puppies. Yay, we're gonna go outside.
Let me get all my food.
Outside. You ready?
Yeah, I was just putting my hooves up.
Okay, there he goes. They're going.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how long they'll stay. But it's really cold. Go on and go play. Wow, it's gotten deep. Wow. Oh, hello. 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 Let's wipe the feet. Come on, Chris.
Oh, they're coming in, or?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, I guess just Echo came in. Done with your follow.
Here, do you want to stop it? Chris?
Maybe, I don't know. Oh, yeah, look at Diamond here.
Yeah. Come on, Dime.
Oh, Echo's coming back, actually. Okay.
Diamond! No! Leave it!
I'll get her.
You really making me yell? Diamond! Up there goes Echo.
Yeah, I don't know. They.
Yeah! Yeah, I think they're getting cold. Maybe we should have put their things on.
Yeah, that's okay.
But they were out earlier, didn't want them. Oh, Echo, you're getting so big. Good girl, Diamond, leave it.
I mean, they're busy. I mean, they are playing.
Yeah.
They wouldn't, like, be running back out if they were that cold.
Well, I don't know. I don't want their little paws getting frostbitten. Think about you out here with no shoes on.
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't.
I think we're getting more snow, Chris. We're going to get more snow, so
Okay.
come on, guys.
They're cold. They're going to come in by themselves.
Look at them. Wow. Come on, puppies. Oh, Echo, you're so cute. How long does this videotape?
What's the number on it?
918, 919, 920.
Okay. I want to reach it like 10 or something.
It's on 9:30 now. 9:35. Are you throwing one for Echo to grab?
Both of them.
Oh. Your first snowstorm, Echo. You're hopping around like a bunny rabbit. Oh. Aw, Echo's cold.
Okay, let her in then. They're cold. They're going to come in by themselves.
Echo might stay out beyond where she's comfortable just because she likes to play.
I mean, they know they can play inside, so.
Yeah, but it's not the same as with snow she's never seen before. Good girl, Echo. Get that snow. Get that snow, Echo. Get that snow. What is that stuff? Come on. I know your little feet are cold. Come on, baby. Echo, come. Echo, come.
Okay.
Come on, Echo. Oh, it's on 11.
Okay, yeah, you can like stop it and then,
Stop it is the 2 lines?
yeah, you can just stop it if you want.